you guys know what's behind me? Yeah! Today we have the exclusive Dogman books. Well, they're not exclusive, they're just normal Dogman books. But I heard my owner really loves Dogman, right? Yeah, I do. Yeah, see, he really likes Dogman, so we're going to be seeing and reading these Dogman books. And remember, this is my opinion. Nobody can tell it me. Okay, let's start. We don't really have a lot of Dogman books. We only have 4. We have Dogman, Wuthering Heights, Dogman 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea, regular Dogman, and Dogman Fetch 22. So we're going to start from the first book considered newer books. So this is the first book. We're not going to be reading them. We're just going to be rating these covers. So I really like this cover. I think Dogman is good. It's pretty simple and stuff. So let me just So this is the Dogman cover. I don't really read Dogman, but I think it's pretty cool. My brothers have been telling me to read it, but I don't really know where to get these online. So yeah, let's see. Next, I like how they chose, I think it's a good idea. It wasn't a cool idea to make Dogman a police officer, so it won't be that, it won't be too boring and stuff. So I like that concept. So let's go to the next book. The next book, we're not going in order, we're just going to the newest and newer books. So this is Fetch 22, and if you do not know who this is Flippy. He used to be a bad guy in some other books, but now he's a good guy, and I'm happy. And now these are his children. These are the characters who were also evil, but then they were both good, and they're now Flippy's children. So I explained that. I also love Dogman's new costume. That's really cool as well. And this one's the only one that's happy, but I don't know if tadpoles can be blue, but it's alright. So this is the book for you guys. Guys, sorry, there's the pets I think the pets are being watching stuff. Can you guys be quiet? I'm recording a video. Sorry, we're doing something really important right now. So, yeah. Yeah! Oh, they're so loud. What on earth are they doing? Anyways, these are the tadpoles, and I like this blue one. It's pretty cute and happy. And I love his new costume and his neck. From here, it kind of looks like a sword that you can open. Okay, next book. Let me just. These are so heavy. There, I did it. So, next is. Dogman Wuthering Heights, because this is 11 and this is 10. It's so loud. I really like the cover of this one. I really like the contrast of the background and these stars. Stars are so good. And this is a kind of sad book. So that's alright. It's Dogman, Little Petey. This is Petey's son, the villain, but now he's a good guy. And I really started to grow on Petey because he's kind of funny and cool. And yeah, guys, just be quiet. How about you be quiet? Okay. So, Wuthering Heights, and these are some grass here, and the contrast to blue, dark blue to light blue to green to yellow, and orange. I kind of see some orange at the bottom. So yeah, so I like this one. Loki kind of canon Dogman as Loki's sibling. So that's alright. So time for the last book. 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. This is one I haven't really read. So I'm sorry, this kind of looks kind of dirty and stuff. You can see on the boat. because these pets have been damaging me really a lot. So this is the boat with the water. So Sarah got a musical of something wrong, and there were 20,000 fleas under the sea. And oh my God, this is so annoying. And here's Dogman looking all nice and standing like he's a hero because he is. And then here's little Petey. I know I haven't said I haven't read the books that much, but my siblings have been reading some books to me, so I just know a little bit. So yeah. So that's my rating of all of these Dogman book covers. So yeah, you can tell me if I should do a read aloud next with these guys, like with my pets, I'm saying. Yeah, and guess what? We're going to a new place. Yeah, we are. We're going to a new house. So, bye everybody. See you next time on the pet.